Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make absolutely fresh and unique pour painting. Before starting the video, I am requesting you all to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. These are some colors I made using just two colors. You can see how beautiful and bright these colors are. And this is white. This is 10 into 12 inch canvas board. I bought this canvas board from Amazon. This is the set of 6 canvas boards. So, instead of delaying the time, let's start the process. First, I will pour this white color on the canvas board. And then I am using this spatula to spread the color. You can see the base of the canvas is white. Now I am going to turn it into colorful canvas board. This is magenta. First I will pour magenta on this canvas board. You have to pour it like this. And now I am going to pour sky blue. Now I will pour this purple color. Okay. Now I am using this hair dryer to blow air and spread the colors. Okay, now you can see the texture of the colors. It turned out so beautiful. Now I will pour this rose pink color at the two sides of the canvas board. Like this. Now again I am blowing air to spread the color. That's it. It is done now. Here is the final texture of this pour painting. Let it sit for 1 to 2 hours so that it can dry completely. It is fully dry now. You can see. Now I am going to equip it more by sticking gold leaf sheets on it. This is Fevicol. I have diluted this Fevicol in water. You can see its consistency. It will be like this. Here you can see these are the gold leaf sheets which I am going to stick on this pour painting. So this is the process. First I will apply Fevicol on this painting. You have to apply it like this. You can remove extra Fevicol like this from anything, cotton, cloth or tissue paper, anything. After that, take a gold leaf and stick it like this. Pat it with light hands or fingers. I am going to use more gold leaves for this. press it with light hands using tissue paper or any cotton cloth so that it gets stick more properly. Now I am going to apply Fevicol on the other side. Now paste the other gold leaf on it. You can press it slightly, and after that let it sit for 1 to 2 hours so that it will become completely dry. It is fully dry now. Now I am going to remove the extra gold leaf from it by using paintbrush. You can use any brush, okay? You can see I have removed the extra gold leaves from one side. Now I am going to remove it from other side. Please do it with light hands. Don't press too much. Otherwise your design will get destroyed. Okay friends, you can see it turned out so beautiful. You can do anything on it. You can do calligraphy on it, or you can leave it as it is. It is looking so beautiful. Okay. Now I am going to store this waste of gold leaf sheet in a container and keep it for further use. Don't throw it, okay? You can use it for your next artwork. Okay, bye.